I'm here at the Lincoln District Food Walk. Yeah, I did the video of this place last year, try to see if I could get a better. Oh, there's a lot of stuff going on around. Okay, you're gonna see me looking around, but yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on. So yeah, I'm trying to capture. Hold on, that's a car right in front of me. Yeah, I want to make sure I didn't get hit. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to capture, see if I can get better video of the food and the vendors around here. But yeah, let's go walk around together. Yeah, some area I'll probably just show some pictures because they have a lot of music.